Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. In our previous class, we learned the representation of rational numbers on number line and comparing the rational numbers. Today our topic is addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication and division of rational numbers. So first, addition. The addition are of two types. First type is when the denominator of the rational numbers are equal, and second type is when the denominators are unequal. So coming to when the denominators are equal, for example, here you can see the first example 4 by 15 plus 8 by 15. In the two rational numbers, the denominators are equal and it is 15. So the LCM will also be 15 and easily we can add the rational number. You know the rule of addition. In the same process, the rational numbers are added here and 4 by 5 is the answer. Coming to the second example, here also both the rational numbers have 15 as denominator. You can see. So in the similar process, we added the rational numbers and obtained the result minus 4 by 5. Now, when the denominators are unequal, see the example minus 2 by 3, here is one rational number and the other is 3 by 4. Here the denominators are unequal, one is 3 and other is 4. So first we shall find the LCM of the denominators. Here LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we shall express minus 2 by 3 as minus 2 into 4 by 3 into 4, so that the denominator will be 12. Now the second 3 by 4, 3 into 3 by 4 into 3 to get the denominator 12. Now in the third line you can see here minus 18 by 12 plus 9 by 12. Both the rational numbers have 12 as denominator. So denominators are equal, and you know when the denominators are equal, what is the process of addition. So it is very easy and the result obtained is 1 by 12. So the addition of rational number is very easy and well known to us. Now coming to subtraction of rational numbers. Here also the two type, equal denominator and unequal denominator. So for equal denominator, I took 5 by 7 minus 4 by 7. Here both the denominators are 7. So in the similar process, we subtracted it and obtained the result 1 by 7. Now coming to unequal denominator. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5. Here the denominators are 4 and 5. So our first task is to find the LCM of the denominators 4 and 5. The LCM is 20, you all know. So next we shall express the rational numbers with denominator 20. So in the first rational number we have multiplied both the denominator and numerator by 5, and in the second rational number we multiplied both the numerator and denominator by 4 and got the denominator 20. Now as usual you can subtract and 7 by 20 is the answer. Hope the process of subtraction is also clear to you. Now coming to multiplication of rational numbers. It is also a well-known process. For first example, 5 by 6 into minus 3 by 4. So, to multiply the rational numbers, we shall multiply the numerator, one numerator with other numerator and the denominator with other denominator. You can see here the numerator is 5 into minus 3 and denominator is 6 into 4, and got the result minus 15 by 24, and this is divisible by 3. So, the final answer is minus 5 by 8. Now coming to second example, minus 3 by 8 into 3. 3 means 3 by 1. So, as the similar process, the multiplication took place and the result is minus 9 by 8. Coming to the third example, minus 4 by 9 into 13 by minus 20. First, we arrange them as minus 4 by 9 into minus 13 by 20. Then you can see as usual process, I have multiplied and the final result is 13 by 45. This is multiplication of rational numbers. Now coming to division. See the first example, 4 by 25 divided by 3 by 5. As the similar process of fraction, here the second line is 4 by 25 into 5 by 3, and the final answer is 4 by 15. Coming to the second example, minus 4 by 3 divided by 16 by 21 equals minus 4 by 3 into 21 by 16, and the final answer is minus 7 by 4. Coming to the third example, here within the brackets there are addition, subtraction. The addition is divided by the subtraction. So first we converted the mixed fraction to improper fractions. You can see the second line. Next, the addition and the subtraction took place as usual. Now after addition, the result is 55 by 10 and subtraction is 13 by 10. Now according to the rule of division, we got the final result 15 by 13, that means 55 by 13, that means 4 into 3 by 13. So this was the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. Hope all the processes are clear to you. That's all today. Thank you.